Hello, it's me again. No, this isn't me. This is my friend. I got this. If you guys have ever seen the movie Lost in Translation with Bill Murray and Scarlett Johansson, he gives her a big version of this little owl when she's in the hospital. And I love this little owl so much. And I went looking for it, and I think I found it a few years ago, on Amazon, and I put it on my wish list, and I got it. He's a little tiny guy, but I love him anyway. I don't know if they still sell him. If they do, I'll try to put a link in the description, but he's my guest today. Today, I'm doing a late unboxing of Witchy One. It is a little, like a trinket kind of jewelry box. It's very inexpensive. It's about $20. And I was going to get this to replace, so I didn't have any FOMO when I canceled the Witch's Bounty. But I never canceled the Witch's Bounty. So, and I still get this one because it's really adorable and it's worth the money. And I don't have a lot of trinkets. So I'm going. I can't talk today. I'm going to continue to get this one for a while, I think. It's only $20. I like getting packages in the mail. And you know what I like about this one too? It comes later in the month. This was from July, by the way, because I'm just behind on everything. Like about the 3rd, 4th week in July, this one comes. And it doesn't come when the 8 million other boxes come in the first week and you're inundated with boxes and your postman hates you, and so I like that it comes later on because it's like a little treat, later on when you're waiting and waiting for the next month to come. I really don't want to wish my life away waiting for boxes, so I like that it comes later on. And this is the description, and we'll look at that later. That's the card that comes with it. You can hold up to that for me. Thank you very much. And here we go. Boom. And this is what it looks like. Like I said, it's just a little thing. It's a little trinket box. Okay. We have this. That looks like. Is that a magnet? Yep, it feels like a magnet. It is tarot card. The Empress. I don't know what deck it's from or anything, or if it is from a deck. It's a little, magnet for your fridge or wherever. We have, looks like earrings. French hook earrings with little crystals on them and little hearts with infinity symbols in them. They're very cute. I like dangly earrings. I have to wear dangly earrings and not post earrings because one of my ear holes is lower than the other because I ripped it as a child. Yeah, that was fun. I'll tell you the whole story of my my ear piercing saga as a child. It is not pretty. Okay. We have it's a little chocolate brown velvety bag. It feels like a point in here. it's I know, this is a bloodstone pendulum. And I'm laughing. Oh, that's cute. It has a little key and a little crystal at the end. It's nicely weighted. That's a little bent. That's not that hard. I have jewelry making supplies. I'm laughing because I already have a bloodstone pendulum that I ordered years ago from a company called 7th House, which made a really great calendar, a spellcasting calendar. And one year, I don't remember what year, they just kind of disappeared. But they were had a tarot deck in the works, and they had all kinds of supplies, and they're gone with the wind. So yes, that's my bloodstone pendulum. I love this little key though. I really like that. Okay, and we have the last item here. It's a little bag. It's another suede kind of a bag, peach colored. I have no idea what's. Okay. It's a necklace. Oh, it's pretty. Look at that. It is a clear crystal, double terminated, which is nice. And it looks like some kind of gemstone there on the sides. Has a lobster claw. These, obviously, they're not sterling because it's only $20. But it's very nice jewelry. What I've gotten in it is very, like, pretty or well made. I think they must make it themselves or something. I don't know. But it's always very aesthetically pleasing, let's say that. It's really very nice. I love that it's double terminated too. I don't like when they cap the end. So there we go. Oh, I love this. See, I'm gonna keep getting this because this is just the cutest little box, and you get, both practical and jewelry kind of trinkets, and a little, extra. So let's read it. Let's see if I can put this up and dump everything out. I did it very well. See? Come on. Okay. Can you bend down without falling over? Okay. I'll put you on the screen. And the card says, double point quartz and rhodonite necklace. That's what the dark stone is, rhodonite. It's a little pinky, so yeah, I can see that. Rhodonite comes from rhodon, which means rose, a crystal of love. Quartz works to amplify properties of accompanying crystals and intentions. That is true. This necklace was created to draw all forms of love into your life. Okay. Wear it when you seek to magnetize connection, be it romantically or platonically. $26 value. Infinity heart earrings. Another symbol of love. The infinity heart goes beyond earthbound love into eternity. These earrings carry the energy of universal love, that which transcends all disharmony that might be surfaced between friends and family. As the pot of life gets stirred, wear these earrings as a bridge. A unifying amulet, $9. Bloodstone skeleton key pendulum. With pendulum, look to unlock your intuitive guidance of what your body needs at any given time. The bloodstone is very good for the body. Throughout history, bloodstone has been a talisman of good health and revered as a potent healing crystal. Use it any time you wish to gain understanding of a physical need. That is a $12 value. And the Empress Tarot Card Magnet represents the creative powers of the feminine. When you catch a glimpse of this card, let her remind you that to birth new ideas and creative endeavors freely. Drink up life whilst giving thanks. And that is a $6 value. It doesn't say if it's a specific tarot deck or anything, so maybe they just made this on their own. I'm not sure. Okay, and that is Witchy One. Can you see that? Witchy1.com. Looking at Witchy One. They have a little quote on the side here, I just noticed. That was her magic. She could still see the sunset on the darkest days. And Atticus said that. So there you go. That is the Witchy One for July of 2020. And I like it. I think it's so cute. That's a little late, I apologize, but there you go. And everything's dropping, so we're going to end this now. And for me and my friend, have a great day.